Hello everyone, welcome to Ekascloud. In this video, I am going to show how to do VNet peering and what is VNet peering. So before doing this activity, I have all needed resources. Like I have two virtual networks named East VNet and West VNet. One is in East region and one is in West region. Okay, and inside East VNet I have two subnets named East private subnet and East public subnet, and in this East private subnet I have East Linux machine, while in East public subnet I have East Windows machine. Okay, so and also I have another one VNet, that is West VNet. In West VNet I have in West VNet also I have two subnets named West private subnet and West public subnet. In West private subnet I have West Linux machine, and West private subnet I have West Windows machine. And I also have network security groups connected with associated with each of the subnets. So named East private NSG is associated with East private subnet, and East public NSG is associated with East public subnet, and West private subnet NSG is associated with West private subnet, and West public NSG is associated with West public subnet. And in East public NSG, in all the public NSG I allowed two inbound rule. One is RDP and HTTP. Similarly, in West public NSG I have one inbound security rules, that is allow HTTP and RDP. Okay, so and I have four virtual machines. Yes, as I said, in East private subnet I have East Linux, and East public subnet I have East Windows. Similarly, in East private subnet I have West Linux, and West private subnet I have public subnet I have West Windows. Okay, and I also connected this Windows and East Windows and West Windows to RDP. See, let's have a look to that. So this is West Windows, and now only I'm going to say the concept of VNet peering. So two virtual machines beyond the virtual network cannot have the connectivity, but how to make that connectivity is called VNet peering. Once you do VNet peering, the connectivity between virtual machines in different regions will get accessed. Okay, so now let us see whether there is any connectivity before doing VNet peering. See, so this is West Windows. In West Windows I'm using the command ping. I'm pinging to East Linux. So from East Windows I'm pinging it to East Linux. So this is the private IP address of East Linux, and copy this. Go take the ping command. So take the ping command and paste the IP address. So we are getting reply. So it is having the connectivity. But similarly, go to West Windows and go to command prompt and give the ping command with West Linux. So West Linux. There's it. Go to virtual machines, West Linux. I have the West Linux private IP address here. So this is my West Linux private IP address. Copy this and go do the ping activity. And just give enter. Yeah, it is pinging. But check the connectivity between West Windows and East Linux. You will not get. So I'll type ping space. The IP address of East Linux is 2.4. It will not give any reply. So see, it is not connected. Similarly, go to West Windows and check the connectivity to West Linux. So 10.1.2.4. See, we are not getting any reply. So here it means we don't have any accessibility between two different VNets. So now the concept arises, that is VNet peering. Go to either of the VNet. I'm going to use VNet, and below settings you'll have one option called peering. So once you do this peering, you will get access to different VNets in different region. Okay, so give any name to your link, and I'm giving here it as West to East. Leave all others default and select the virtual network. So now I'm in the East VNet. I'm going to pair with West VNet. Okay, so leave all others default and click on add. Once this is added, you will be able to connect two different virtual machines from different different networks, that is in different region. Okay, so we'll check after this peering is done. We'll check the same ping command on both the devices. Yes, the peering is done. Now go to any of the machine and here give the command ping space 10.1.2.4. so same IP address which we didn't able to access, now we will be able to access. See, we are able to access. Similarly, go to other VM and which we were not able to connect. Now give the ping command to the same machine. So 2.4. You will get the connectivity. Yes, you are getting. So this is why we are doing VNet pairing. Okay, hope you understood what we are doing and what is the purpose of this pairing, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.